ACI RMS automates management of properties, showings, and maintenance, saving you time, labor, and money. It's already tracking over 1,200 properties and has coordinated thousands of appointments with no human administration required. Really? ACI RMS works for any size business or customer, integrating your office hours, appointment times, and business rules. The app is fully customizable to your existing website and branding, colors, logos, and more. ACI has expert web developers on staff to ensure seamless and polished integration. Available extensions include maintenance requests and security deposits, and more new features are in the pipeline. Schedule property showings with customized automatic email reminders. Set standard hours and exclusion times for agents. Generate printer-friendly online reports. Interested? Contact ACI for a demo.